Hello for everyone, this is the lesson plan template for a virtual environment. My name is Edwin Garcia, and this is a class prepared for adults with an A2 level according to the European framework. And the topic for this class is an introduction to IPA, the International Phonetic Alphabet. And the objective of this class, of this lesson plan, is to recognize the vowel and consonant sounds of the English alphabet through the IPA, the International Phonetic Alphabet. This class will start with a warm-up, name 5, by the way. The teacher names different categories, and students must write in record time 5 words that correspond to the category. However, whoever finishes first says stop, and then together they verify that the 5 written words correspond to the category named by the teacher. Example: name 5 English-speaking countries. So we will use the platform of Zoom, and the time stipulated for this warm-up activity is going to be 20 minutes. So, as a practice, first of all we have the presentation. So, as a matter of presentation, the teacher will introduce himself or herself to the students, will check the order and takes some notes and make a quick summary of what will be the topic of the class. What I used to call the scale, and the time for that is gonna be around 10 minutes. So as a practice, the teacher will explain some of the sounds of the English alphabet based on the IPA, the International Phonetic Alphabet, establishing the differences between some of them, V and B, bilabial and labiodental, SH and CH, sh and ch, and the sound TH when it comes th, and TH when it comes D. Using again the board and Nearpod, and the stipulated time for this activity is going to be 20 minutes. As a production, the students work and practice the sounds on the IPA, the International Phonetic Alphabet, spelling words that are written with V and with B, with CH and CH, with SH and CH, with TH as and with TH as D. Everything will be related to the IPA, and they will be using the image of the IPA, the International Phonetic Alphabet. They will have around 20 minutes to develop this activity as well. As an assessment, the teacher will make some dictation of 20 basic words, and students must write the correct form if it's written with B or V, with SH, or CH with TH like S, or TH like D. Then they share the production on the Zoom chat. In this activity, students will have a space of 20 minutes. Actually, phonetics is one of my favorite topics, and adults will want to be sure that they are understanding and they are learning to apply these things, these new concepts they acquire in the normal life. So nothing better than phonetics to teach them how to pronounce in a correct and proper manner so they will gain some confidence while speaking in real life. Thank you very much.